You know the moment when you were editing and you open a few bins and then you open some more and eventually you have 30 fucking tabs open that you don't need open and then you're wasting all of your time closing them? Yeah, I absolutely understand that pain. And thankfully you came to Big Daddy Torsten because I just found out a way that will get rid of that entire problem. And this way is way cleaner, so much faster, dude. And now I actually have time to edit my videos, not closing all of my tabs constantly. So let me show you exactly how to do this. So you're most likely going to have something like this. You know, you have all of these tabs open to your right, or maybe you have them over here. You want them to the right, all you have to do is just drag these just like so, bring it to this, and then boom, put it up on the top like this. But the pain part about this is, let's say you have your bin, say like right here, and you open this one. Now this bin is open, always open, then you know, you click here and then you try to find your effects tab and you gotta scroll through these and like click through here, and it's just such a pain in the ass. And then sooner or later you have like 40 freaking tabs open. Bro, such a pain in the ass, but we don't have to do that anymore. All I have to do, let me show you this cool little way. So if you actually come up to here, just click on any of these and right click, go to this panel group setting. Now if you go to stacked panel group, now it will stack these for you, and I much prefer this. And let's say I'm in my effects tab, you always want this open, FYI, that way, because when you are drag and dropping your effects, this is just always open, and you can just, you know, come and grab one of the effects that you have. Let's say we're putting one of my presets on the add your sick video, and in a matter of seconds, you have that exact animation. If you wanna get that in my All-Pack Plus course, be a link in the description. But this is just such an easy, cleaner way of having this. And then if I wanna scroll through, let's say I wanna go in the properties tab and mess around and, I don't know, make this text bigger, it's there, like, and then I can just click and it's boom, already automatically closed. That's why I much prefer this. And let's say you don't like this, how if you like come into this tab and then it automatically will close that tab and go to this tab and then it'll automatically close that. If you don't like that and you want them always constantly open, you can just right click, go to panel grouping, and then hit solo panels in stack. Now, if you click the properties, it'll open the properties and leave the effects tab. And if you just want to close that effects tab, just again, click on it, boom. Now you have this. And this is such a cleaner way of keeping everything organized. Now you don't have to constantly close tabs anymore. And if you guys wanna learn how to edit high quality reels exactly like me, I actually did a full breakdown on how I edited this Instagram reel in under 20 minutes using my editing systems that you will learn in that video. So you could be editing literally videos exactly like me in 20 minutes if you go watch that video right now. So make sure to go watch that video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!